what I learned, volcanoes are found where there are weak places in the Earth's crust. Volcanoes are formed when magma from within the Earth's upper mantle works its way to the surface. A volcano can help create a lake like Crater Lake in Oregon. The lake formed in the collapsed volcano of Mount Mazama. These lakes are sometimes called calderas. Sometimes a small part of the lava breaks through the surface of the ocean and will create an island such as Iceland or Hawaii. The Aleutian Islands in Alaska make up part of the Ring of Fire. Another part runs along the weakness in the Atlantic Ocean. Fresh lava ranges from 1,300 degrees to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit and glows red hot. When hot volcanic materials mix with water from streams or melted snow and ice, mudflows form. Mudflows have buried entire communities located near erupting volcanoes. Overall, volcanoes can be very violent and very cool to look at, and I can't wait to visit one someday.